As you know, my name is Kindson, and I'm making this short video because I'll need your help in choosing the next project for us to work on. FleetMS version 2 was a very big success. We were able to build an application from the beginning to the end, and I'm so happy we could complete it. Even a few of my subscribers told me that this application was deployed, they built it and deployed it to production. So FleetMS is actually being used in certain companies around the world by many people. It was much like a standard enterprise application, as you can see right here. You can also enhance it if you want. Now, one thing we want to take note of is there may be some of the missing features in FleetMS version 2. Now, if you notice something missing you want us to add, you are welcome to implement this feature and update the repository on GitHub. So the question now is, what next do we do? I have a few items I want us to choose from. But before then, take note that we completed a number of technologies. In terms of database, as part of FleetMS version 2, we covered MySQL, PostgreSQL, H2 database, we covered Bootstrap, Spring Security, Timeleaf, a bit of Angular and Node, a bit of React. We covered Docker container, we covered GitHub, we covered deploying this application to Heroku, Spring JPA auditing. I think we also did deploying to AWS, I can't remember, but there's still a lot to be done. So that is why I want us to work on a new project, and I want us to work on this together. Take note of the options I have on my notes. So number one, complete application in PHP Laravel. Number two, complete application in Node Angular, Node backend, Angular frontend. Number three, complete application in Node React, Node backend, React frontend. And number four, complete application in Python Django. Now these are options I want us to choose. Anyone you choose, anyone, we have a lot of choices, then we are going to take that one. Why I'm actually interested a little bit more in the Python Django application is because when we use Python Django, it gives us opportunity to use a wide range of libraries, even data science related libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow, all these libraries that can be used to add some intelligence to our application. So that's why I'm thinking in terms of Python Django, because Python is the language of the future, it's the language of AI. So can we build an application now in Python Django? If you want, if you choose it, if that is what we all want, then I'll plan this application, create the step-by-step, and we kick off. If you want something else, please feel free to let me know. Write in the comment box, reach out to me to let me know. But there will be a poll. I'm creating also a poll. So you can choose an option in the poll. There will be maybe 5 or 6 options you choose from the poll. If I get the responses by a couple of days before weekend, then by next week we are kicking off this new system. And again, this is going to be a completely beginner tutorial. So even if you know nothing, we are going to do this tutorial or this series in a step-by-step. Every day possibly we have maybe 10 minutes to 15 minutes task. And by the time you know it, in a few weeks, we are going to complete building the system. So let me know what you think. And I would like to stop here. I remain Kindson the Tech Pro. I'm always there for you right now. And let's see again in the next part when we are going to kick off this new project. So we see again.